meaningful work.
Learning through experience.
Natural beauty. The Northeast Kingdom.
When I think of Sterling, I think of
community.
It's rugged.
Unique.
Rural.
Inspiring.
Sterling is ecological thinking in action.
Sterling puts ecological thinking into action through the way that we're taught, the work that we do, and the effort to make sure that every piece is inspired and guided.
At the end of the day, what Sterling wants to do for its students and for the people that make up this community is they want to inspire us to think about the world we live in differently. How can we expand our minds, think about this together, and be able to put forth the knowledge that we have? We're located in the Northeast Kingdom, a really special part of Vermont. It's a very small town and we're just smack in the middle of Craftsbury. It can be quite rural and quite quiet, but we find a lot of joy and fun here as well.
One of the strengths of the community here is you interact with everyone at some point, either through working or in classes.
We have something called community meeting that's every Wednesday at lunchtime. It's a place where we can announce like, hey, climbing tower is open on Thursday. It's also a place where we can talk about issues and awarenesses on campus.
Being such a small community, you really are able to connect with your faculty members and your teachers. It's not really like some universities where you're in this huge lecture and the teacher can't really focus with you.
Small class sizes offers that one-on-one attention that I really needed and offers students just the opportunity to really just be out there and interact.
Sterling, being a work college, is a very strong incentive. The opportunity to improve upon our professional skills as well as get to work with our hands, it really helps with understanding where we are, the community as a whole, and what it means to be at Sterling studying.
I think success at Sterling can look like a lot of different things for a lot of different people. For me, success is going out and trying my best, coming to the community as I am, and being honest with where I'm at and what I'm struggling with or what I'm really excelling with.
Everyone at Sterling wants to be better, and they want the college to be better. And it's a balance of acceptance and striving to improve.
It's community, it's work, and it's academics. Those three all go hand in hand.